Hello. Hi, you big guy. Well, hello. Hi. Want to show us how you move? Did you have 4 shots today? Four shots and not one peep. You didn't even have an unhappy look on your face. What is up with that? Come get me. Are you looking for your sister? There we go. Colin, your sister just went down for a nap. I'm so sorry. Hey there, big guy. Come here. Come here. You're trying to go get your sister, aren't you? I'm sure she would be very happy to entertain you in her crib. But she gets a little crabby if she doesn't sleep. What are you doing in the corner? There's nothing fun in the corner. Come here. Come here. Oh, now Mama's going to have to worry about cleaning everything again. Oh. Once again, baby-proof cleaning. I hope you're not playing with the spider. Colin, come here. Come here. Turn around and come here. Come here. Colin. Colin. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Oh man, you are eyeing that door. Seriously? Where do you want to go? I think your first word is going to be Hannah. Hi. Did I get it right? Are you pushing open the door? Seriously, sir. Hi. Hello. Hello. What is it? What is it?